Python is a high-level, general-purpose programming language renowned for its rapid growth across numerous tech industries. In 2024, several trends are set to dominate the Python web development landscape. Let's explore the top Python web development trends for 2024. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of the hottest trends today. Many businesses are integrating AI into their operations, and Python is a popular choice for developing AI projects. Its user-friendly nature and manageability make it ideal for creating intelligent systems. Python has transformed how scientists approach real-world problems, making it a go-to language for AI applications. Python's rapid adoption in data science is due to its ease of learning and vast library support. It integrates seamlessly with popular languages, making it a top choice for data scientists worldwide. Python's capabilities in handling large-scale computations and its extensive community support make it indispensable in the field of data science. Python is widely used in web development, thanks to frameworks like Flask, Pyramid, and Django. These frameworks allow developers to create web applications quickly and efficiently. Python's versatility extends to server-side development, API services, and database communication, making it a powerful tool for web developers. Python's popularity in machine learning projects is due to its dynamic and advanced features. Its versatility compared to other programming languages makes it attractive for developing machine learning models. Python's special libraries, which support mathematical and logical operations, play a crucial role in making data accessible for machine learning purposes. Python's dependency on the C language allows it to create embedded C software, beneficial for embedded applications. It facilitates the execution of sophisticated applications on small devices. Raspberry Pi is a well-known embedded Python application used in cloud computing projects, demonstrating Python's capability in this domain. Python is a popular choice for game development, used in creating titles like Battlefield, Sims, and World of Tanks. Its simplicity and versatility make it ideal for developing games from scratch. Practicing on Python projects, such as a Sudoku GUI, can enhance understanding of its application in game development. Python is capable of creating scalable, extensible, and readable business applications. Platforms like Triton are available for developing ERP and e-commerce solutions. Python's ability to offer everything needed for business applications makes it a valuable tool for developers in this field. Python's popularity continues to grow, making it a crucial language for web development in 2024. Embrace these trends to stay ahead in the tech industry.